for your first day of work, the most important skills to have are listening and note-taking. Ask lots of questions. Don't be afraid to sound stupid. You're going to, because you don't know what you're doing. So ask lots of questions. If you don't understand something, have it explained again. If you need somebody else to explain it, ask somebody else to explain it a different way. But the big danger here is don't pretend to know something if you don't, because then you're going to have a lot of gaps in your education and you will have lots of problems. So that's the important thing the first day. The first skills that I like to train on, number one, blueprint reading. If you can't read your print, you can't make a part. It has all the information you need to make the part, so you should be able to know what's going on, interpret it, and then measure those things. So that would bring me to the second skill, which is using your gauges. A few of the most common ones would be your micrometer, your calipers, various height gauges, and the optical comparator, which we use quite a bit. After your first 30 days, ideally you should be able to be put on a job, immediately start reading your print, being able to interpret it, knowing what gauges to use. You should have a good feel for using all manner of micrometers, different sizes, different types, blade micrometers, pitch micrometers, height gauges and comparators, and you should have a good handle on your paperwork, which is very important. Know how to fill it out, calculate your rate every day, and yeah, if you got all that down, then you should have a pretty good rest of your time here.